Okay, Danielle, so this is for you here. Well, I mean, I'm getting this up quickly for you. Well, probably you don't think it's quickly. I don't know. So what I did was, and I'll just show you the process here. This is our sign. Now this sign is approximately 6 inches wide by 12 inches long. When I printed out my sign, first of all, with using, if you wanted to keep your sign all together and you're using a 12-inch sign, well, 11, standard paper is not going to work. You're going to have to use like a legal size paper, and I didn't have one. So, and I wanted to do this, so I figured my spacing would be like that. I'm going to use my paper cutter. Like this is, different. And keep these. If you make mistakes like this, but they're like it's just too big or too wide, keep it because it may be useful later on, even if you use one of the words or whatever. Just like this one. So I'm going to just put arrows on the bottom. Okay, that's what I'm going to do there. So let's get to the next point of this. I need to get the paper cutter here. So, okay, what else we're going to need is our chalk. So, there's different ways if you research this. I mean, a lot of people do this technique. There's different ways to do it. You can do it with, some people put pencil all over the back. But from what I can see, that's a really tedious process. And I'd rather just use some chalk because it seems easier. So what we are going to do when we do get, we're going to turn this over and we're just going to shade. And we're going to shade this. So it's just going to be like, I'll show you. Right there. And grab a piece of chalk. Okay, and then just whoops. Oh, that's right on the way. That's easier to work with. Alright. Roller. Okay, that'll work. So okay. Now we're going to again go over. Oh, I didn't do this one. Okay, and okay, so now, shoot, I just see that I have to cut this. Hang on. Okay, and I just made my own, you know, I know that there was, you know, you can look at the box signs, see which, you know, any sayings you like, and then I made my own template in Canva, which I can link, and I can see if I can, if you want to make this sign, I can put my template out there, but I'm not sure what board you know, what size sign that you're using. All right, so we're going to see if this works now. Now what you want to do, make sure of course everything is clean here. Okay, so I want to make sure that this, we're going to have enough room. And we want to get our designs straight. So let's just make sure, and we'll use a piece of painter's tape. Okay, now I'm going to get some painter's tape. Hang on. These design stays where it should when we're tracing. Okay, and now we're going to just see if it's going to transfer. I'm not sure. I should use a. I wonder if I just do it without, you know, just rub it with something like this. If it will transfer, let's see. It is, but So if you can see, I'm going to do the lettering first. So I'm going to get it a paint marker. Now this is going to need another coat, obviously, because it's on the black. If you'd rather outline and then go in with paint, if you have wider letters that. Okay, so I was happy with the way that it came out, looking more like a chalkboard, so I didn't go over it a bunch of times. You can go over it with paint if you want to, but these letters are supposed to look like kind of weathered, kind of worn. You can distress the sides, the edges as well. I am not completely finished with this, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And I kind of dry brushed some black into it to make it look distressed and, you know, a little bit older and stuff like that, but I wanted it to kind of look like a blackboard, so that's I was happy with that. And you know, I'm still not done. I'm going to retool some of it, but I just wanted you to see the main thing. You can be as creative as you want. I'm going to try some other signs with the black signs that I have, some different techniques and different things, using different things to make them. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe and share this video if it helped you or if you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye bye.